Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a debit card to your Instacart shopper payout account. If you are not an Instacart shopper yet, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the profile icon. On this screen, you will see an option for payout accounts. Tap on Payout Accounts. Here you will see the list of payout accounts. To add a new one, tap on the option that says Add Debit Card. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. Select how you wish to receive the one-time code either on your email or phone number. Then tap on Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Done. Now, enter all the required information such as the debit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then tap on Save Card. That's how you add a debit card to your Instacart shopper payout account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.